Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Valorant Error Code VAL29. Right? If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up your search bar and type in services. Okay, now go ahead and click on services right here. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and find the service called VGC right here. Double click and then go ahead and go to startup type, set it to automatic, head on apply, then go ahead and click on start. Okay. Wait for the process to finish. As you can see here, it's done. So just basically click on OK. And then once done, you now go ahead and close this one. Okay. Go ahead over to your search bar once more. Just type in network reset. Okay. Click on it. Down here, just go ahead and click on reset now. And just wait for the process to finish. And once done, it will ask you to restart your computer. There will be a timer that you need to wait for you to be able to reset or restart. But you can just easily go to your start menu right here and just restart the computer by yourself. Okay. And that is it. Restart your computer. Once done, go launch Valorant and everything should work perfectly fine. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.